everybody, my name is Cheri. Welcome to my stamp studio. Today is just a super quick little walkthrough of what's coming up in March of 2022. So let me get going with that. First, my thank you gifts, if you purchase from me online from my website and you use the host code, are at $40. You get the jewels that are part of the Wave bundle, and those are a limited edition, and when they run out, it's while supplies last, so I want to make sure you all get them, so that's why I'm including them in that. And so $40 you get those. When your orders accumulate to 150, you also get the soft succulent satin ribbon, that's a tongue twister. And then at $50 you always get my VIP video supplies for the first project, and at $200 you'll get them for both projects. If you purchase anything at all, $5, then you still get the videos. So that's how you're part of my monthly VIP video club, is from ordering from me. Then let's see, for club, if you're part of my stamp club, all of these things will have videos. This is just kind of a synopsis. So for club, this month you get 2 papers. You get a half a pack of the Waves Designer Series paper and a half a pack of the Waves foil, both super pretty. And you are getting the Waves rhinestones and the linen thread. So I will have a video that comes up that fully explains my card club. It's a subscription service, super fun, and every month we make 6 cards together, and then we have a Zoom session coming up. So you sign up once from a subscription. I do it through PayPal. You do not have to have a PayPal account to use it. You just have to have a credit card, and it's super safe, super secure, so that's why I choose to use PayPal for that. Let's see, got the club, then my classes. So I have my Waves class. These are not projects that we'll do in the class, but ones that are up. So this one's already posted, so you can go have a look at that. And then this one is up. So Waves classes registration is open through, I think, the middle of the month. And then it will mail, whoops, and then this one has not posted. This is a preview of a card that's coming. It should be up on Tuesday. So then I also have a retreat. So as I do the next thing, I'm going to show you the retreat. So Stampin' Up! Has a ton of 20% off bundles. Now, a couple of these bundles are 20% off, and normally they're not on sale at all because they're not part of an old bundle. So you save even more if you get those. So I'm going to show you lots of cards that I have made. Now this is the Quiet Meadow. Better flip it back over so I can see the names. I have almost all of them. So this is the Quiet Meadow. This one is included in my online spring retreat. And that is coming up in registrations in March. And then we will do it the first weekend of April. It's online, so you don't have to be present when I post the videos. We'll make 12 projects together. Quiet Meadow is one of the featured bundles. You don't have to have the stamps that I use, but because all 3 of the ones I chose are part of the sale, retreat's a really good deal this time. So there's 3 different ways you can participate, and I will have a video up as I focus on the different stamps that we're using. This is one of the ones that's 20% off. This is the Hydrangea. I have this set and they've never opened it. I got it when the catalog that it was in came out. Never opened it, never stamped with it, never haven't opened the package of dies, so I'm excited to use it. This I did at a shoebox swap. Another one is the Wildcats bundle, and 90% of these are on my channel, so if you want to go look at the tutorial. Some of them have been from past classes, and like that Hydrangea one, I did it at a shoebox swap, but most of them are on there, and I did try to get a link up with all of them, but AT&T is putting new cables in our neighborhood. We don't have AT&T, but they keep cutting our internet cables. So the whole weekend, practically, we had no internet service. And it's not the first time. It's happened multiple times over the last 2 months. I'm really tired of it. So I tried to get a playlist together for you that had all of these, and I will, because I don't need to record these twice. Some of them have a little bit of retired product. This is the Celebrate Sunflowers. Sunflowers are also the national flower for the Ukraine, so it's a great time to get this bundle. This was a really fun card, and this tutorial is up because it's one of my most viewed ones. I love all these, and these are all, that first one was sent to me from a friend, but the rest of these are all on YouTube. All really pretty. Now this one does have some foil on it that's no longer available, but you could substitute it for something else. So that is the Celebrate Sunflowers, again, part of the 20% off. This is the Beauty of Friendship bundle, 20% off. And I did this, I think this came out last year, and so it was in the spring. So even though it's kind of a fallish set, because of the paper, I think I made a spring card with it. Then this one was part of my retreat last summer, in the summer. I haven't done a retreat for a minute. The reason I chose to do it, I had not stopped doing them because back order issues and things not being available are, COVID and supply chains. So I didn't do one because I was a little bit nervous that I would pick 3 things and then one or all would no longer be available when it was time to order them. This sale, Stampin' Up! Chose sets that they know that they have enough stock in. So cross our fingers, the sets that I chose should make it. But this was part of a retreat. So some of these cards are not online because they were retreat cards. But I don't remember which ones. I do so many classes that I couldn't even really remember which ones I'd done classes on, or if I just liked the set, like Quiet Meadow, and I just used it a lot. I know that was a retreat card because we worked with creating backgrounds. This is a retreat card too. So you can kind of see some of the projects we do. The focus for this spring retreat is going to be on specialty and designer series paper. So Quiet Meadow, I've already said, is one. Then I will tell you another one is Welcoming Window, because I don't have it yet. So I'm going to order it on March 1st, just like the rest of you. That was a retreat card too, because it was background. But this time we'll be working with specialty papers. And then here's another one of the retreat bundles, and one that's on sale is Seascape. So when you participate, you can get the full kit, and it includes all 3 stamp sets, all the supplies that you need, and a free folder that you get to pick, whichever folder. I love this one, and I'm really glad to be able to use it in a retreat. Or you can pick 2 of the sets, or you can just get the card supplies, or you can just get the videos. So there's 3 different ways. Obviously, the best way, because I want you to have everything, is to get the full one. That's why I give you a free thing. And this one a friend of mine made for me. Then we have Art Gallery. I'm going to kind of fly through the rest of these because I have lots. And then we have the Sweet as a Peach bundle. It's on sale. And this one I did do a class, so you're going to get to see some past class things. I don't remember though which ones are my class and which ones are online. That's why I wanted to do the playlist, and I had no internet, so I couldn't see it. Pretty sure that was in the class. And I'm pretty sure this one was in the class, just from memory. This is a really fun bundle, and I like that a lot of them are appropriate for spring. This one was in the class, and if you look closely, that was on the specialty paper that is kind of snow, the snowy velvet paper. So it's a fuzzy peach. It's a really fun card. I'm pretty sure this one was also part of the class. So none of those will have videos up. This one was part of my Try It class, which I will have another Try It class open for registration in April for our upcoming May catalog. And then, I don't know, we wouldn't have done that many, so all of those were in the class. So some of them were someplace on the internet. And then finally, we have the Pansy Patch, and I also did a class, but I'm pretty sure this one was part of Try It. So when you start hearing me talk about the upcoming Try It class that I'll have for the new catalog, these are the kind of cards we make. So there's no stamping on it because I can't send stamps, and I know you don't all have them because even at this point in a new catalog, I don't have them. So I make the papers work as much as we can. You get new papers, new embellishments, and new ribbon on every card, and then we do a lot of fun folds. And that way I can get as much paper on there as possible so you get to see it. But then some of these are class, and then some of them are on my channel. And I'm sorry that I don't remember which ones, but you're getting to see a little bit of a preview. Or I guess a behind the scenes of what's my class. This one, I did not make. I think I got it at a swap, but this would be something similar that we would do in a Try It, except this would have been cut out and it would have ribbon on it because that's what I do. And then here's the last one. So that's what's coming up in March. Make sure you are on my email list, and then you'll always know what's going on. And you'll see all the registration and know when the deadlines are. Now, if I get this up before the last of February, I'm not sure that I do. If I do, but even if I don't, if you are part of my Beautiful Images team, you get to take all of my online classes completely free. You have video access to all of the classes I've done in the past, all that I'll do in the future. They're housed on my Facebook page. I'm trying to get my website to cooperate so I can also put them on my web. But for right now, they're on Facebook. So if you don't do Facebook, I understand. You can make a fake stamp fun identity so you can get on there and interact with us. But we have a really fun group and you can find all of the classes there. But if it's still February, you can join and get 2 free stamp sets. If it's past, it's always still the best deal because you get 20% off all of your purchases minimum in the future. And then you get all my classes for free. So see you here in March and have a great day. Bye.